Ramano, Imafunyami, Betamauta. And it was just 7 minutes to the top of the hour. That's right, a special good morning. Come is a bright Thursday morning, the 27th day of May 2021. Say, do ya what dana vim no was say ya. Let's just say, oh, what day? The weekend no be there every Thursday, and a weekend so be there just a cash kakra wo, and as a work credit to our phone so bit with your calls. And Jabusia, my rest idea was imafo. The kakra ya dia suma is all got prepaid with you. The rest of the approval studio. That is a Yanidia. I'm a Bakukura, you know, my own to be coffee. Malabusia, good morning. That as well. Vodafone sit together weekend. The good morning of Anaba. I'll say Ghana, good morning. I say we'll be to me and your great conversation on Vodafone with the good morning offer. The good morning bundles, you know. Amount unlimited calls at the Vodafone numbers. And after it's a 5 minutes talk time to all other networks. The crack is saying, but your good morning offer we will subscribe here. Vodafone amount 500 megabytes data. As if I browse it for free, what it? Watch and day. It is just 1 Ghana CD. Come in some moja, 1 Ghana CD per subscribe. Yeah, what's the way on this over file for? After dialing star 543 hash. Star 543 hash. After would them. Channel some me say shake a crowd down. Enter. The call home and so my chicken come on. Ah, Messi and some my goodness. Ghana Immigration Service, Michiamo. Abusia Nra. Negotiate police in Pennyphobia. And some more Mokayano. Only I know my bottle. My bottle pa. Police for more bread. Banyame Baye. Ah, more bread pa, more bread. More bread pa. But as well, or come out for any way. I'll come out for any Adom FM. I was your mammy for go Pram District Assembly. What a the Plan City Extension Project, you know. I go so we rent to own. I say our Ghana. We go Pram District Assembly and you are more partners. Our Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development, they support you, the UN Habitat Ekaho. I was your watch and Obi so busy if you were here. I saw Unia made Obeko, Yabutre. On to me if I won't quit that. And then go Pampan District Assembly at that Roma. I say, Grafo, Obisan is them if you were here, no amount. GP address. I say, Bra. Because I feel you, watch and day. I assassin, I open. But your numbers are maybe Bobosui. When you're Mondays, I was well. Then go Pampan District Assembly, I'm Bebuawati. A patch of 055 553 0300 and 0577 911 101. I'll bet to be 0557 054 635. On my website, a new Accra City. The Plan City Extension Project, shaping Ghana's urban future. A batch of much to mommy, I'm in country drink, come on. Labusia is about 2 minutes to the top of the hour. Now, my main kind statements are about Abonting from the Christ Apostolic Church International. A warm letterhead, so General Headquarters, PO Box, GP 1315, Accra, Ghana, 26th May 2021. Ref number no ASCACHQ/ extension /526.1. Omo telephone numbers in na ewo ho. Mbacho yenye yaso ne yentie Christ Apostolic Church. Omo press release omo diaba. Has a press statement on the removal of an uncompleted structure on the Christ Apostolic Church International property at Dansoman, Tunga. Yentie. The Christ Apostolic Church International, CACI, into bracket, has taken notice of a story published on Adom FM, into bracket, news, morning show, and online, on 22nd May 2021, caption, tears as church demolished fiscally challenged man's house. This story has also been published by other media houses, sourcing from Adom FM's publication, which has caused an extensive damage to the image of the church. Contrary to the said report that was aired consistently on your network from Saturday, the 22nd of May 2021 to Wednesday, the 26th of May 2021, the following are the facts. 1. The land in question at Dansoman Tunga is a property of the Christ Apostolic Church International, which the publication sought to wrongfully attribute ownership to one Mr. Thompson. 2. The church legally acquired the land in 1996 from the then State Housing Corporation through all rightful and legal means. As a credible and viable church, we have a lease of same and a land title certificate. 3. The church has been in occupation of the said land with temporary church structure and performed church activities on the land, which was already walled with an inscription, property of CAC International, keep off. 4. All these activities were ongoing until one Mr. Thompson encroached and demolished our temporary structure on the same land. 5. We also had building materials on the land, awaiting a building permit to commence construction. To our utter amazement, Mr. Thompson forcefully and illegally entered the land, demolished our temporary structure, and used our building materials to begin his illegal structure on the same land. 6. The church called Mr. Thompson to order and asked him to desist from such illegality. 7. In furtherance, we offered to pay whatever expenses he might have incurred so that we could have our peace of mind. From that time, he avoided contact with us and secretly continued building on the land. 8. We further reported the case to the police on the encroachment. 9. When he was invited by the police for discussion, it was found out that he did not have the requisite documentation. 10. The police then advised him to desist from entering the said land, since he is not the legal owner of the land. 11. However, he lawlessly continued to raise the structure on the land. 12. The church went back to the police to report him, when we realized that the encroacher had decided to continue with his illegal acts. 13. He was therefore cautioned by the police again and made to sign a bond with a promise not to go to the land ever again. 14. After all these efforts, Mr. Thompson sneaked onto the land to continue his building activities during the lockdown period when churches were not in service. 15. The estate department of the church removed the encumbrances on the land to pave way for the church's building project. 16. The structure that was removed was uncompleted, unroofed, and not habitable. Conclusion. 17. We are therefore calling on Adom FM to retract all the accusations and unfounded statements and defamatory remarks made against the church and its leadership on their network. 18. To administer an unqualified apology from Adom FM for the misrepresentation, slander, and the defamation caused the church and its hard-won image through the multiple medium through which the publication was aired. That is news, morning show, and online. 19. That we are highly displeased with the presenter's one-sided, judgmental approach to the story and by the guise of the usual all effort to reach CACI proved futile, and therefore request that he gives the same prominence to our side of the story. But on the 19, no, take note of it, because it is attributed to me, so I will address it accordingly. 19, that we are highly displeased with the presenter's one-sided, judgmental approach to the story, under the guise of the usual all effort to reach CACI proved futile, and therefore request that he gives the same prominence to our side of the story. Okay. 20. We want the public to know that as a church, we have always been on the side of the vulnerable, as the Lord Jesus Christ commands us. And in this regard, we have a yearly budget allocation to the poor and vulnerable in society. And for the Christ Apostolic Church International, this is the release of the buyer. Now, fact of the case, nan kamin kasa. But you see, sometimes when Nsem koso ne kasa, personally, I expect that all parties are bound by decisions that are taken. Fact of the case, Christ Apostolic Church International, among Pennyfour, were here yesterday and we had a meeting. What transpired at the meeting, a word to a wise, is enough. Respectfully, Mentinaha and your one-sided, Mentinaha and not being judgmental. With all due respect, I respect pastors, I respect the church. But whatever is fact is fact. Medini Kwesi Asempa, good morning. Ahaya Adom 106.3 FM. I've been guided. I live in there. Thank you. Medamasi. Asumdwe Nkam. I was just 6 minutes after 7.
My real was me. I tell ya,
was here 8 minutes after 7. My name is production team for your consultation kakra. And the Christ Apostolic Church release, you know. I was here to say. It is well. It is well. Fancy. But you also with your taxes, custom duties, GRA payments in CBG Adaroma. Very, very easy and convenient for you. But Environmental Protection Agency levies, Ghana Standards Authority levies, Food and Drugs Authority levies. I buy levies via Bessa Uchia Bia. But your phone, and then also say what's Uchia. Just dial *222# *222#. Now, Faye, what follow Obetimi Triano in that convenient manner. Ghana.gov.ga to fill form a generative invoice. For further details, for CBG 0302 216 000. CBG, we stand with you. It was your business, dear. Oh, yeah. I was business, you know, to me, 2 pounds, a quad anymore. A quad benson, I'll be far. But I would your time, maybe I'm a church, you see. 10 minutes after 7, my make one man, so you're going to drink about Galamse Peter Buagum, Nipa Makumako 40, a trappy, a be a woo. Ebane saying a hefane see wo ye kona fe Kwame Salvation e wo Solar FM omoya mane ye Kwame otimi ka som dwen kan
me jo sumi habe ma kije
baby abokwa no pay ya de nyame ase menti Kwame Galamse pit na bugu mu ayifa
Bremai Brofu Bremai and Upper
Dentra West Bremai Brofu yedu right ebane saying
TJ anope mami nche wati for muti Adom. Ya no anopon be this time here ni me call from the National Director of Upper West. Ayen honorable IGC. Say atolentema HDMT no more dia na. Aja ya bana ko kopi mo in fact kopi na Eden. Us ko to dead bodies miensa aya ke wo mo. Say o mu bu onu mo. Na site to any party go on at that time. Na anodin.
Whoa.
Besides a ban saying no much as a man can go.
Kwame Bato Nyabotra Mame na afei ebusia for bra Facebook na be share mining site na ye ka wasemi ene ba bia nkrofo no eko etomu a ebi mo afem ahwere omo nkwa no ya asem o ya rehosem but Kwame ba bia ye ka hosupa o
hosupa u se ahoya bia ya be ye ko du oni hu se hoya bia da kane na wo mu di glamte ni bi o ha ban ye se o mu nya na o wakofie ni the way o site ni bi
okay
nti o man kasa no mu ye adwuma won de mu nyina nza adabani asafo gum no nti mu nyina ba tie
okay
na we mu ye nkofo mu wi o no na o mu go ko wi o kokodi bi o ho na fu bia nto ato na jana ba mu a oni akonso we kokoshi aye no na o hwe site ono kwa na ba dia asase ni bugu wo mo so no ehọ no according to a report na the land owner no enje mu fama galamsey fo ono ko video ni ko ni ade wo so a on fama galamsey fo so omunye galamsey wo ho no ana ngomu omusu di dia asase na tia di kana nimra no ho so na kese na asase ne de emu sade bia man ko mo yie fi mo wie so wudi ko ase
tina jese omo ko tu tokro kure edi wura ase
yes hono mo mu di na
enti omo wuni ya de omo ya chichiro omo politic bagum eda dua so sa no eya revo nipa wie ye ni
nipa wie ye no na ye kodu ho sa na je se akoko ya ro se dem dika ni tuda no na ye se ba nya obi a ba maka je wakati se obi a esise na se ni akoko ye hie sei o mu se ya tise we say tise aso aba obi esure se obi ni mo obedi nkomo aso wu se bia na ja police work akoso ni mu say we call no suspect but ye bomodin ni ebi mu di nkomo na wo mo tete ye koto chamfan makoma konkono 9 e wo site bo chamfan makoma kon 9
wow
na no bako na o ma ya update se emu 4 na ye aduma anajo no ana ebusa se 4 ni pa se na wo ho ye aduma o chese nipa chamfa bako bia na fa nipa du bako 11 na ye aduma wo ye chamfan no indeed all things being equal so ka bom dia na ke say 11 times 4 no e ma 44 ani ye hu se mienja afi indeed ye calculation na ka nipa aduana bako a ye hwe wo mo nti na ye wo gidi bi se anabuobu mo so dia ana na aduana bako no mo me nkofo no mo hye fo mo no
right
sana na ma ya dwen kokko ye nti ye bo mo di bi asa ke benya kabeta machine na nke de tu fo mo anapa no ba na ye nya bi because na obi anya ready to be using the machine e dey amayan
wow
because no mo tu suro se anhwe ya mo ja machine de ko ha na penifo ebe pie so ha anhwe ya na machine o mo nyi o mo no ni ahye no
ya treja tum ya
dey kan ka se excavator machine dey ben site dia e ja betom nti na for data no nya for desi one menni kachi awo apelin ta FM ashedu atiman divisional police commander
yeah
ye da federal jidaku o mo na bo mo modin ya se ombetimini na assemblyman na wo na empatimo no honorable Japan on in committee members na obo mo dia se o mo assurance se obi a obeja na machine dia mo no o mbe se yenhye machine no san se atorenchem na ehia de kopese e bi nipa dia film beta one mo no na yakopon adoma enya bi tije machine yi atuma be so don huri meni na kwandon huri miensa so ni ba akompo ye hu o mo atase na se you man who be brana kabita machine to form no warranty boot head panel man this one here no so time na chamfan no hono ma bi asa galampe hono ma bi a mo di djuma na wa sa na se na mo ni papa na e se wo mo sha sa na se be akokura no ye nya bi wo ho
enti ye hu ni papa akokura wa sa na se
ye hu ni papa akokura wa sa na se wo ho anu djuma kire so no mo sha mo matura na kabete ya dan ho akotuwa na be foforo so akira mu yanhwa asu na so adan no sila ati warranty boot ni sanya ma bobo su na ni mu ba tipa de tani de ya nse da video asase na fu
entifeti enura be pemenne no asate na no pay no mati BBC atimi eyi nkrofo ni bi
dabi
ba na just ba still nkrofo hyase ho
no no ya de azie ni enhu gospel reporter ma yenya na fa ni se tamfa ba ku ni pa 11 na ho aye kabo me nya 44 na miensa akiri me yenhu de na ba ko no na man yen ni hu se de mo atase na se but se excavator machine be ya djuma don huri mi ni kon don huri miensa so be tu fo mo na yenhu ni pa bia no na actually adu da ka se ni pa na o man yen information no na o ye wrong ana se bia next time ana bia be excavator ni ko si wrong place ana se to say no ni adia because no akra no after be no ndu animre no so na mpanifo ta so ho a o mo hwese bia o beti bi different and so enya adia e timi ti bisa eni pa me se o mu fi no akola ba ko ni nve be se du na o ba be sia ya wono no die free brofro bi ho na ba ko nso ya oba ono nso ntia na di mo ho no de ma ye ne se o fi e nkotin so ene so apere ntia west fa na ba ko be ma na ono so kan ho no ebi mu so chese o fi atim ho ba bi ana wonu e ba ye amape na mene mbatam ka che ho eminan fo Japan odi nkomo ade ma no ana wo chese akoda na wo fi mu no na bush na fo no no amu show up mo chese obi muslims kremofo ko mo chese omu ja body mo mu nanka nsen kremofo de mo mu na ho nche na ko mu ko pen mu kwa bia omo ye se asem no mo ho nkwa na e divisional police command in cabin pe for bi ntia no pay o be he no ma akofishia na o matena so se ebrema kwa ma eje mu dia ma kremufo no a na yetime eje mu dia ma omo se wufo no akola no nkwa na busuafo no bi etinye show up
right
ninu aka de busu aya ye hwe ana ba akwa no ka se ni nua ne be ma no a omo so bufi akyem no no ano a asem ni si na benyamenya ba na o ka se ni nua no afi ade sa tue ni be bia no nya de yehu no bisi ne yenti obi anka ye hwe ni se bia no pie omo so betime ye omuti se bia dihye na wo fi ni tue omo de ni hu de betime aye wo ho no oba na de nya nti bia mfanti side
right
nti eno ni apita ni fokusia ana mo ntu ni je o mo tu ya fa ho no yi se bo mu se de be ye na me na me bisa assembly man se se o mu we for ne de no o che se be ya man fo bi nkan so nko bi mu nko e galanti nti no no ni committee members ni ye se o me pe manti a o me volunteer no ma ko akọ site for brano ko se bi ni ko mo ni ko bi san ko hye o bi se ngo mu kwa kodi because I am pempi no se kala me se am na bugu me kuni pasa na ya no mo tue bi se ade a stand timba pa o mo hwe se tani ma ne sempo aban kra mfa trafo bi ana mpo mfa abiliko bi ma se bi o mo nko gen ho no mo a ko mo nkasa mu no be pe volunteer bi na o ma akomonita abia o se be amanfo bi nje ensan ko chimu bi o
asamo
eno ni asama ye hwe ni se penifo chi a bi se bi anu se ma tie kwa kinchi won
Matia Busia, my fancy, why? No, you never see Bebro, your bomber crashing and Sabeka, and not more director near the Nature Come. And Kwame, as some drink can was for Kwame Salvation, I was Sailor FM, the Corso, or Upper Dintra West, Brofu do, and Waboya Maniano. It's about 20 minutes after 7, we're joining a higher Adom 106.3 FM, Dwaso Nsem Jumedie, Yensaka, the Nadmo director now, be my update. So, Omatimi, Egi, and Grafoni be a trap it. Ewa pity no more and I say so far situation at is saying obeboy amane na answer na make your interview no na me cheche say wajuma wo ye bia wa se wotumi enya nimde se de be ya adwuma no ebenyi na sika wo de shemu no ankɔhye ne senti na absa ede the absa business connect series no ede aba efiada we ebacho efiada we 28th May exactly 10 a.m. Ote wo desk achi anya computer bi na afei wa log on absa o connect series no wo se wotumi esua de pa obe join absa business connect series no the last Friday of every month or absa Facebook page and no at absa Ghana wetumi anya nimde efi industry expert one etumi aboa business amana tumpon na this Friday Evelyn Aqua chief customer officer ewo Absa Bank no and be a guest this Friday obema on church exactly 10 a.m. na topica on be handle no behind the mask delivering customer experience that connects the Absa Business Connect series in Boao Emma business acco the next level. Openi Isaac Jesse the district NADMO director Upper Dintra West. Yanena and Chichin Como. Is that just what you mean? Castle drink out. Monia Juma and easy. Now that was your Ebana saying Tiawemo.
Alopano na yatinti yeno. Ti yako sini hono. Na nukule dimina polisi fo aboa. Ni assembly member ukrum ho. Ni krum panyifo. Mumiensa. Emema baako na ma mienu. Na ye koduru hono mono ye hwe ho sopa amande hye ba hye mu bia nye galamse ni nti omo firi ho na ye nua mu we mu wi omo ho anado no na ne tenten ni tietie mu nyina ne hye ye nya adwudi baako a enam hye na ni nua awu bi aka miensa na ye yi omo anopa ne ho no wantumi amfiri ho anko nti ye ni di nkomo no na wo kire hye anado no omo baaye no omo doso na la machine so ye nkono nti machine enan ehun nipa na ekotu lo amana na bu egu wo mo so no
asamo
na sade ode ma ye no machine ba ku bi ya no nipa du baako ene wo ho la baby omo a position machine no to where omo to load no about 10 meters
okay
omo tu no wo ho mo a na omo de aba machine no na omo tu no eye mema ene ma na ehsoa nti ono wo ma ye nti ye se said the machine back could be a deeper do back on the woman. And ya na do not many buoyano. Well, who will be a journey and answer will be far. The baby and conform me and Sandy Wuyano. One on our year, you many be no year for mine. One was you should say a be best sign war at Menemu Hodomo. Uti, over a Jumana or now, what the excavator, yeah, in the bay. See, I could see any police for a name, assembly member. Could not see a copy. You copy because I know the first commit and alcohol. No, so I ask them. Tiasako high do baby. The tension JTM as you acquire Juana Besset or Green, a could true baby. A blank no actually to 2 in a year, a move in Nipabia or Fomo. Nemo almost have or nay, because in the pine over this one you need. And I eat 2 hormone.
I ask about and the job most says still Uncle Fossas your home.
Majuma, yeah, the excavator, 2 from Guinano. Yeah, you really pay me and I if you wouldn't have a watcher, you know. Yeah, when you prepare she said,
okay, and since I say, dear, my giant and Crawford, share me and Sana, Manana, dear Mujiris or Moana never. Whoa. Nancy no Sam Rea, ye few way na. And Crawford a be on the fetchery, as Yakosa Moko Yebi, Mode Bambo Biajo, said a bay obian to mingo.
Many di Mamano Casa, Menoka say, I'm a machine, I'm a flay, Ubianco, assembly member, Ne Krumpany Fono, Echo Hanaji, Ubianco Ye Jumao. Machines never in Nancy, 2 in Adiaco police station.
But a woman's machines in 1 to 2, but say, Yan Crawford to me, Ram and name a manual work, Echo Shusha, sir.
Sir, and now Menoka said, you move any one, yeah, yeah, bad boy, and one quite you may. My name is District Chief Executive in Division Police Commander. Yeah, quite you one among and I'm over Friday. I fast at the piano.
Okay, now, but as the Galam say, or Kono, ye yim Crawford fi mining site to Hossana, Yana, Bambo, Jumaya for ne biwo, our mobile home by said a bay obia, Emba Hobio.
Many our own baby, I said, see, and commercial mining. And I would have moved baby. A hoya before na omode chamfa machine no ye adwuma enti eho no mo no nya ba bia sebi aban be ehye da se ye ma mbofo akọ because baby omo hye no obi adwo hye da ma so se bibi se ekọ ho ma so so de meka na
metio pa
aha na no wo chiri ba bia mepo na omode ma boys na di pickers ni sabo etu nti nje adwuma na omo aye no ho no mo ache nti omo ko we kura omo firi sa kuro ni mu ho omo ya wo na omo ye adwuma ni dia ya ka se aban de hye ba ya pam omo no omo de na me le mu ho anajo omo wi omo ko ho na nti ya kura mi ansa asase wura fo kuro omo nim se omo sa ko because ho ye site omo aye adwuma dada nti ho ye kese
Abuja ne kura mo no we ni the dikaya upper Dentra West BBC SC
mpacho dabi
atasi o
ase ni dikaya na me ye trofo
atasi
yes taisi ebi asipen
be do asan
na ye wo pit bi load heap bi wo ba bi a no so nkofo ko wi o mu di ya amna bugu o mu so na ye purchase mining for dia
number 2 no nipa say na be hwe o mo nkwa
that was last year no atowenche mu ho no mo na si ye no nipa nwotwe mema nwotwe last year
na no na nipa say na ehim an nwotwe film
no de omo gugu o mo so nwotwe na jiri o mo nyina wuye
na nwotwe na person na bugu o mo so
na omo do so but nwotwe na bugu o mo so
na omo do be say
no so ho mo no ye ba bi e ho mo so so eye waste omo di gu ho a che nti na emlante ni di zukope omo anu aduane di no mu wi omo ho sa akọ ye nti ebe ye kwa na omo so be ho be ye adwuma no do so ara ni ntusu nka do mbabo
I was
last year 2020.
I was say there no etoto we ho a possible say omo ana omo ha na omo bomi ensa
me ni awon wo ye foreman wo machine ni ho na nu masem na ye di tuja na ye adwuma no enam se omo nyina adwane obi a charge wo wunya obi a musa no nti excavator operator no no so onfa excavator ni adwuma wo ndi ba bia yi ndipa mi ensa ni na ho no mu agu no ho no na yitu ho ni mu nyina ye bi mu ankan
yo abusia mame na wase na no pay why say woni a chichi ko asem dwen kan right abusia Penny Isaac Jesse the district NADMO director Upper Dintra West and no chichi ko mo ye be kona fe ye ne the divisional police commander so a chichi enkomo ahaye Jim FM abusia yankwa mano na fe ye ne chief superintendent John Ferguson Jeneku on the divisional police commander ewo Dunkwa yana ne chichi nkomo obani wotime nka so dwen kan
amen
chief so bibia boko wo Dunkwa ne important
yami Adom bibia boko until no incident no
obaba ko wa ha anocho abadwo asewa ho important no watna enti osio chiao
me de no to papa
yo enti chief supo boyamania e mosmoti ne sai
ano anopa anamenya NPS ya stop illegal galamsey no ebinumu via mo ho na jana jo efa koye ka galamsey no normally suspected some for be say 11 and not 10 the bob be say 4 no mo fi ho no and around 3:30 akofo ho no na yes say the visa 18 year papa no mo fe me ebo mama me nti me friend NADMO coordinator na wona me kasa dia no ama ye arrangement ko ho no ye ko retrieve 3 bodies yeah we also in terms of a rescue mission
right
at the end of the day you know, we couldn't get other people retrieved so it is suspected these were the only 3 at the moment or at the time
but in the fight against Galamsey no samuyi and Crofoni fi mining site or any equipment na mo protect site ho
ye and Crofoni fi on their protected site on
me batcha say ye equipment no ya shishi bi no site ho no mo protect ho say the be ya timemufo enkoso mo kwa akoye illegal mining bisa
it is humanly impossible so what permanent Crofoni on a police be do ya now go place guard ho but what we do is that patrol team from time to time they go there to ensure that the visa empty and no and the BIA into man with the daytime there amwamo and ajuna sabe any township residential area manfo ya bon ba sabe amro be and the other issues no that time now you need to that area no and almost for area one just to be very
Asemo una wo mining area the fight against Galamsey no Edim pa
oh definitely
and Jim FM and especially more police for what are the challenges they are facing
in terms of challenges I face more quarters I made those challenges now I wouldn't want to discuss those challenges on air no specific places I made them challenges they are always professionally addressed for me
okay
on air, I wouldn't want to do that
okay grateful me that's be break why my me fa won't see as from drink council on the come right and then we say for Chief Superintendent John Ferguson Jeneku the divisional police commander Emma Dunkwa and then come on what join here Adom 106.3 FM Dwaso Nsem Jimedi no asugusu awutie me ni kwasi asempa 32 minutes after 7 anocho aba just say wa be join me na fe na poso ye de abro ye mfa asida kese emfa ma ye Star Assurance your solid partner open insurance papa but your Star Assurance for any trade CBG Bank papa in this COVID era CBG more branches you know my BS7 in a very professional manner I'm more observing all the protocols Vodafone together we can I'm with the good morning offer aba and mau unlimited calls to Vodafone numbers now for 5 minutes talk time to all other networks just 1 Ghana cedi per Agbeve Herbal Center, where you Safie, Agbeve Yanko, Yaria Ben, the Dias, you the Quagbeve, on Betuas, say yes, stroke, hypertension, I actually home come Quagbeve. Ombesa amount Access Bank see our for be a savings account and mama manafe mom build it up to 2,000 points ubeti me winning 100,000 Ghana cedis cash and Access Bank when your mundi was latest from your partner for life edi nkonya papa edi abedwa so nkonya efe eche nkonya wotimu se akonya nie latest form mention baby your partner for life I'm not sure about just say wa asomdwen kan
and council kwesi
bibi abokwa no pay
na me gosi shrine
ana dia wugina mu chire ti se papa no wodun kwa no
a chire a chire
ya
vene ma finu
e vene ja chire wo
vene chire
no chire mu
ya wo fira ya mfire badun kwa no to dro
oh okay
ha to no na dro ne vene chire
dia baby a chire
hu na wasi chire ma ba ha na ja edin ne ka ho
ya sabo
such a nice man
le din de chire
ti mechia no pa
de o ade
omutie yen say ye radio dru akire
oh yes
dru akire
yes
enti mechia ne pa
chire
enkrata no aba
yeah sure
krata no aba na daily guide de obokrata eni Ghana man His Excellency na nadam kwakufu ado de nsem watodwa eno wa kire say wo mu ase ya hye wo mu excavators
yeah
e wo man mu no mo so mo ntia ase no mo court Amon court na bi o mo kwa be kire Ghana mamra ni ma kire wo mo na wo mate ase yi
as you among court it is well
the big one also go to court na to galamseyas na what they say me to John say na make us e bo na make us o makotwa homamu a
yeah
on be see law village
exactly
yeah enti wo hwa Ghana man panyimfo nyi da ha say na ne okuta shovel okuta shovel
sa ana o dia so abofom
na ne wo sanua
ekoyi
edi gu hodom eti nsem no bi anonom na
Promine mame na Dwaso
COVID-19
amobra wonsio Aisha way
COVID
ye bibra fa bichire ho na ye bibra
very for the about to judge chechi we say
wow COVID
am COVID
and bebaso okay great
155 bebaso per
sharp right
very for say amamfo bi adwere yo mo sense hye ya empanifo de gu ho no so ofro ma bi so be piem mo man yi mu a ye de hwa ba ye ho ba free COVID ho no airport wasa de enshada anya adwuma
oh really
na empanifo so mo nsesa amra bia wo airport
wo
se de ya hye gu ho no no a wo ba wo se wo test wo kurom na wo de aba wo bedru akrata de ma wodi adanse se what no kra na yesa fat samples ni ye hye ansanti sachaye bia emai e wo ho no na mame nko we mu
yeah sure come mama quickly I know you are here
boy the new crusading guy
okay
there be ba could be stored be wo mu the daily dispatch
also there
go to court ni the name ya sa na asia ha no was road contractors there roads minister say 6,000 on say na road minister ka say omo de ma hudu be gu akwam 4 years
yeah
ene overhead yeah on bayer wo man yi mu ene akwantempo ba frequency na hudu bi
exactly
was 120 foot bridges wo mo ba ba ye and afen so 6,000 kilometers ekwan so wo mo ba ba ye na road contractors say for the way
I'm say
for the way
are they AC
Jim FM
I'm say the kasa na ye nkrofo bi da na ase de
road contractors no as for the way
I'm say for the way
I'm need you minister musa
what say
abaniamo akwata ye chia
I'm say 1 year ko 1 year no say ye wu an no
I said last year na year of rose o man she dey hu so papa
na year of rose na no hwe no video ni bi na banya ma kwata se ye mu bi aka akire ntie mara ye ntumirika nto amu
ye ntumirika nto amu why
wase year of rose no mampanyine kufo do mo sase ye kwan papa in 2017 it is also hu kwan no a then you are lacking behind Mama action.
Oh, the Avondin can.
Oh, yes.
Away.
The attitude and the
Beniamo Quata, away. I can say.
I said those people are lacking behind.
Lacking behind where?
I was almost double almost steps.
On Yabutra, on Yabutra. No Yabutra.
Now, and now, baby, and I to see a gun among playing Kobusa. I said, a rose no way, yeah. Oh, we got cars and one down.
That's a point.
Are you?
I don't find your bed yet. Now, the fact is, I was at home and no crime be done. aka o say a year of rose na last year 2020
say covid na covid ba e
covid ban ti anya kwan
say sika no
o say
sika no
90 o mampani na election e be ba na
say kwan de o mayo
ewe
na what they want me say won tie oni monyam for makwata na
da bia wai na say kwan ya ya
say won hu kwan there that means go so you are lacking behind
asa
etu tubiri kana beto ye ma ye hu kwan
kwan ne wonti wo de no hu no
we say was it free 2017 etem bi buza say free 20 bi me free 2017 wa na me tie me tui na say me kwan ye nya ya di ma me nka na
amoye ba
is that what they are trying to tell us
amoye ba
say oni monyam for makwata say if you 2017 as who kwan there then you are lacking behind there na say me hu kwan ya ma me nka ma me musa na chale adwumebu aye fa emotions ni e chire o
I am very emotional. I am very emotional.
He's too emotional.
So kind of watch our best one.
That they will so as but he's too emotional. So let me, I would advise MPP and DC. Some more power, this emotional perform. And more point, more such key positions. Ghana for it is all right to say, I was say,
yeah.
Yet me busa say, and near ABC now, cast obey.
That's right.
And you be our year drew him.
Yeah.
I can't be a moment for press a moment printing green book. And who's Caprana Yagro? You get my point. It is a Ghana for say a pioneer who in a busa. You don't speak arrogantly to us, telling us, we are lacking behind to see who can you what to bring.
Lacking behind the cry, bravo, ya the battery might just say.
Say, ya catchy, and you're too many can you two. And
you know, modern Ghana, you won't go coast. Yeah, you go coast. And modern Ghana, and then the pioneer, you know. So you kwan to no say kwan there that means you are lacking behind it double your steps say oh no why ni krom kwan why wo koni constraints ya why definitely will lag behind I said the whole Ghana ni krom ho hey but you lag behind okay say the krom na double steps and say ya carry lacking behind let just see a question with the krom papa oh dia ya no ay honorable Garcia Mwakwata emotional there emotional there yeah pressure dro body o say o nya fa motion nto nche no nya adwuma no nya do cheche pressure dro body ay asemo ba contractors so ka say ba no kra ba ko pe adwoa ekwan no ekwan mo susu nya mfa kwan nya dede mbo no you understand mo susu MBB government because last year ye hu o mampani and a year of rose kati sword me say me ho ai Moses anim kati so yo ya de Moses anim ane gata bia wa yi ba se wo ni fi anim won wa hwie chepense agu ho agregu ane ho de ne jajajajaja won wa hwie bia agu ho na no gata no every house of ai abodwese ekonya ono ani fie nani ho kwan na wa hwie chepense agu no every ho ade kwaka be bia police post di besa besi so tuom kwan mu gata nde wa yi enye new station enye amomole enye baby anye I am telling you baby ana tantra ho na ye asemo ya potem ho kwan na nye Moses ani mu tie mi amon kan je nza me se kwan no enye it is wa hwie chepense agu nani mu ro hu ni za o de o hwie agu ni nyina so ni hu ni za wa hwie agu ni nyina so na nso yeso na Rose minister kwa ka che say we are lacking behind now lacking behind the maninka if you are in 2016 then you are trying to tell me say my president is John Mahama but 2016 John Mahama was president I know na you lacking behind no so was me that so was it 2017 no start here kwan et hu hu na say wo da so to 2016 oh okay et hu president nko et na hu hu ye no you get my but I emotions am fan to nchai na mo nya adwuma no asemo ye ni abre pa ndie pa e kwan no mo contractors no say wo kora no omo ni GDS na se sika na mo aban sign di omo ka aban sign di omo ka na sa be ka se ubeye ya no lacking behind oh see you people go and pay the contractors you enjoy lacking behind no pay them contractors almost mama me en cancer ade anchi ya Dwaso mama sure the inquisitor do bokwata no anim na oma the big one was say hard work pays. University of Education Winneba Honest Napo na me hunu so mo na tade bi ewa ha Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe dodo na bone mra na se Napo na wopanyini University of Education Winneba eno adamabom homode pa ye ne omode doctorate degree ama opanyini se
panyini nim de ya wo pa ne niam a wode gu akwama free SHS to me ye adwuma no
yeah
so ye adwuma pa wo sa abasobo
anze abasobo no wo abasobo no wo adwoa napo no mo board abaso well
Cobra
yes ya bona baso
producer ejina ho
but honestly adwuma kese na doctor ya wadutwum no kra ba kope
okay entia ne yakwasi asempa na kan anya mea wase guy doctor ya wadutwum na ya adwuma na kese ba se ne duodi animu no
oh na some ministry information there ya na you know
duodi achi su
yes and the doctor ya
wadutwum abefa akonwa na ta
abefa akonwa no nti ye hwe de obaye
stage na no wo bo no
ye hwe de obaye
doctor ba omi aya ayi flag wearer everybody actually running mate no na wo my economics lecturer lectures no say so your vice president e bia na ntikura be ye manatuma ba be presidential candidate
okay
it is a wugina chire na wo de unim de pia de wo animu no ofiri one de mawo na wo manim de na ye adwuma na de me ahunu sampa na ye chire adwene na ne wo tirim na adwene ne nyerai
and they are trying to obey
it here trying to pepe now o say Ahmed Swales medal Diabo punches Ken on say video be viral na mrase bedwanin we manya for Kennedy akompre kwa Japan say opanyini bi na wonim so wonu su se onu wonim Ahmed Swale no ni woni hu ebi na ofa the inquisitor da go kwata no a kwata fa to so 9 ni ndum no opanyini ababonte say da bi o na ye no ane say na amene na so opanyini timi hwa mani mu anu odi mimidin ekokoto sa asemi eso sese
ansoji abona babonte
oh ababonte la
o se dan
wo se wono no kwata fa 4 and 5 wo sem ho wo se chese onimanya fo Canada Japan ko social media anu okoye no ana chese okobo odin ansreji amo obodi na yese pictures ni pieye ana omo di ansreji abonye kuma
omodoso
ba ohwe mo no na woni Ghana Police Service e wo asem kakra wahu woni Ghana Police Service wo nya asem kakra bi ntia se de da ho ko ba go kra na obo a ya na ni di tumi pie kire se ono no woni omo was no no se de onimonyamfo Canada Japan kwa ka se oti kumase no waso onu kumase kra no wakọ ha wataye na watwemienu waso kwa gwagola na oba woni Ghana Police Service ni enya asem kakra me no kwa no chese chawpa nyina e bai ana chese okoye waso obo ansrija abo ni nipa be 100 ene pie bai ana so hwe mu ano we na ni post for wasam jize we na ni medra we na ni besa medra
we ya de shana yeye
ana chese wodi ase no waso no Kumasi Academy and we call school.
Oh, okay, Kumaka.
Kumaka, and no crown on 2005 2006. Afepe.
Oh, okay.
And no need that I was a Bretentia what didn't was and Temantema in Kumasi. Tonoka won't take Kumasi said your penny a home town side.
Oh, okay.
It was Uncle social media or no Cobo and Suja. No, took Kumasi no
function,
no. It's 1 year to say, what punch back pass one trassi, and must be 7 previous will be emphasize and cast away. A home tansa
and Adjani Crackrani, sorry, so. So, Oba won't say ambulance, we see anymore. I become one same this year. Meno and a become home bro. For people last one after young ambulance, no was him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. The insights, how come already home come off water? Immigration officers angry.
Yeah. Withdraw
from border towns over unpaid. Oh,
yeah, can. All the officers no more borders no. Any more casa. And no nan come see the release be beba. But release you know. I've actually yeah.
Okay.
But sikan you metia. Oh, I don't be fiaba. Immigration for Sikan 50 Ghana no ombetia e was somebody so ombetia
sadin de so
hey ombetia immigration penny for mobetia Sikan we mobetia
na enra ma se bedwam de ogina ho no mai bed na gwa sante ase edu akosi
e4
oto yen krasa dom kuma na ni ambrese krodom na the inside of Bokrata na publish story no dom kuma no say omo do nyame anim adebo nsamati ko se
adim ponche 3 ka ho
se sa so ye hwa kwantimpo ho sam so
yeah
road ministry
hey
so omo ye omagin se road to omo betuma free 50 pesos no 1 Ghana no omo je no de akosoro a omo mpre na mpre china
no resist it
Oh, Brofubia, what can say vehemently.
Vehemently.
One of Sias Abrof, and some dictionary. Vehemently. Almost a bedroom and also no more Ghana for. Because I can't every 2017, almost on my young one, Robert to road to.
I ask them all.
It's the Muslim.
Yeah.
The insights, no Bocratano. Confirm for say.
I confirm for.
Lab no. I want my first or more call leave because the medical doctors too about on more money.
Oh, really?
Because the lab is not for just lab technicians.
Oh, Diamontiobia.
No, but almost a woman the medical doctors.
Abeshaho. Okay.
And it's a vacancy aba. Number if what's not say a sort and when say indeed as I'm a medical doctor. But I didn't call lab a human obey to me you don't resist say your crop for a bit many as a position in tea and I'm what they are come and when you want so for no I can see they are come about so for you get my point when you have today na ebi omu print the money ya na bia pedifo chire mu chomo ti ase a cause I strike your mukwe ka makra how man for ntino omo come come to no mu ni say medical doctors dey so omo kan ya resabia ne ho enti e de omo etu say di bre na eyeyi enti mo say ambulance for
abo ajo ya be chichen komo ya be chichen komo
no enti ambulance na atregu kare no wada ne no
me say
na madan because if any free difa
so omo chiro ni say ambulance no
any we difa what say any babonkum
omo na be chiro
na matro adani asintrase
abusia oba multimedia ya building na nim ambulance bi abe park wa ha na driver no ambulance driver na be kayan sa ya ne be chichen komo na ya bisa no awana mbacho ya ne mic ni ye mame why na aja we de menko ehomo bro wo mu no tie bi ma me nefo anu tum me za driver bacho dabi driver bacho me mo akwa
yeja
bacho boko de bacho we ambulance ben driver
national ambulance
wo no we driver wa brono ben so Cape Coast enti u fi Cape Coast na bank cry ha no pay bacho wa mane ne ha
ndasi bibli
Jim FM
ya no ma so
kakra
mpacho na ye wo hono me duty na ye frame say obi yare wo fi na me kofa no hospital
right
nti me number no na me trace na me call ti me do ho happen na nkrofo ba na mo so me finu na ye twen so bewu me yesie no na me say sa okay me de me fa na me ye
nkrofo fifie ho ba say
ni nkrofo bi
me finu
na mo twen so bewu no mo yesie no na me say okay me de me jwana me ye say me fa na hospital nti ma me hu boyare no
okay
na e bi da na me call ho no in fact we do them one ma hobon
okay
me pa na da ho no helpless na me didn't come business say dey na ye no what is the problem me tu hu ina ye kubro
guy no that ambulance no ebusi ambacho bra Facebook na be hwe mame why na ye ko twaye be hwe guy no said your that ambulance no ye nim he ya the ambulance is parked right here your building na nim ewa ha oba hwe said the abrantie da ambulance nim adwa ko Facebook na hwe bi mame wate ni pansa hwe yo asem ejakasa mame
nti no see onya accident some years ago ene no call confanochi into ho referring to Kofo Joseph Hospital
okay
but ni busanfo nyisika nti no mo be fi o Cape Coast
right
eno me bi rosa
abusia me bacho ko fa microphone we mame why na adwo ambra ha because adwo de na no eden nti bacho kwa ha mame why great sharp you should say mic na mame
okay
meteo
nti no o me bi dro fi sa but enkosi no improvement into ada house for 4 years na opeso ko hospital
for 4 years
4 years adwa 4 years
okay. Now we say we health insurance or see the now say the first thing we have to do health insurance into body no health insurance office no ko kasai na ye health insurance man
okay
na no ko hospital no mo hwe no mo say with the serious issue obe here surgery me say okay me say ko twa MRI scan e wa Accra so ni sikol ka ko twa sa scan no to me free Accra Sunshine no mo say 1008 request no on Oniska no need to tell say what can you do again so after scan you be no surgery obe friend na dan for doctor okolebu no aba hon ke course won no be surgery no be cost about 40,000 plus
wow
400 million serious na picture so hon no tibia nti yakọ no pa ba say opo so kunum so no me nku hu one there is life there is hope Another time, some hospital need be on that. In fact, see, I said you know, on to me 90, he can only sit. There's no way with me 90.
Wow.
I'm say okay. I don't know how me say. Or say call Adom na. You don't know na for one. I'm say easy. It's all in document.
Oh, and if today I will call the while Musi Menfino. So we no Musieno no. One I will cobia now with oh, really?
Yes. You know, because your copper and then a mama in Vicacra. No, I diasis.
Wow. Wow.
Into no yare na se fa ne bradom.
Yes.
Okay.
Na yambuano public mbuano na yenye ni seju no. Into a hamisan na msoki. Yende ude ochina machin yebeko. Ene sima machinya.
Esa wo bakra wa ntonkra. Muda se mutu ambulance na mo. Wonu se adom de onya bedura. Na bi ma kwan ye tie wasem.
Asem nti mo ba no man frɛ obi a wadom. Money mo bia wadom.
Yes, me catch and say, I do myself here arrangement video. You don't get that. Yes, we go home doctor and say, dog, please, this is a situation. Say call Adom FM. Until my paper beer a betcha. Also, I don't implicate myself. Just go and then talk to them. They will help. Fine, will not help. No problem.
Until you just took the risk, so we'll be driving all the way from Cape Coast to Accra.
Yes.
Adom.
Yes.
Namabe Pemwa. I was on Facebook and I very sensitive. What shall brandy ne nine and my goodness. Just said the TNT. Am I to me be so no ashebi? And to Manakata. Yeah, only 9 who are baby who say in fact, and easy. Oh no, I'll send it to you crow.
Because you are the who no say independent very flat.
Oh my goodness.
Auntie, Ombesi and Hayani, social media executive for mobile. They
could try and you are into Cape Coast North Constituency ambulance.
Okay.
Now the buyer, the National Ambulance Service, over Facebook, Ube ambulance, aha, Minamijan, I just 5, yeah. Into your choir, no pay your producer, be friend, Yakucha. Into the ambulance is still there. Mo pemboa so the bear 40,000 plus meboa near to me I in surgery no crano and yes will be to me ananti surgery a bema natsina hokeke radius Jim FM I was here yes Ramo ya de two many more mwana moboa
mama musa papa ya
atwa kasa
entita ma wo kofa na ba no woni abusuafo kasa abusuani bi di wachi Juni busuani ne bae. Sa Brenda afa no manya ni da so se ni so muja ne dem ma ne wu.
Ye hu lady baako on na ye na busuani no. On na ye na busuani.
On ye busuani.
Eh ne sister.
Ni wofa no.
Ni wofa.
Ni wofa mom na yare. Na se ne maame ni wofa okay. Enti no ka o mo apie be ka kire wo se ye twema na wu ni akosie no no nka ho.
Papa bi na mama bi na be ka kire me.
Tomo chairman na woman wakosie no.
Ajo Abrante no ntumi ma studio or the ambulance no. Enti ya the phone akoma no.
Okay.
Enti wa join your wa homa no so. Ya ne nchichi nkomo. Ebusia wotimi nka me mo ache.
Yeah.
Me pacho ya no ama ne so kakra why. Yo. Ya samo. Na pacho ya from say.
La dende Jacob.
Me bacho say
to two coffee Jacob.
But me bacho wo mfie say.
They were 28 years.
Over 28 years. Na the two coffee ba ne say na say ambulance mo na wodai.
Enya se Jim FM. Na court no. Na mbona entinam.
E ba cho wunya accident here ben bo hefa.
E ba cho kuma.
Ba cho wunya ne Kumase.
Ne.
Ba cho here ben 2015.
Hey.
Bebajo 2016. Wow. And I win accident since then I'll bubugu ho.
I want
Hello.
About Adin.
I started from Sardino. And the Saturday Nana went to me and Nantibio. If it's 2016, Ebe Pim Samre would da Fako. And the hospital are now one as an hour of ye.
It's the honest with you and as I mentioned, what you
And if ye a busia for a show, why no one a show?
The bush no, that's our Mohammed.
Me ba Jose.
The thing that the bush never see.
I'm one a show. And but your accident and accident by motor accident and a car accident. A car. Now one Kasana na Uchi. But Jose. Until you'll be out now with your driver. We are auto mechanic. And now Obi car and a crowd. Wow. Hey, some more. And your banison and I will be PM Adom FM.
Oh, I'm one and say on count on the fuck,
Na me bacho uni mo bi wa Adom FM ha. Oni obi akasa wa Adom FM ha da mo aka che zebra ubenyamboa.
Oh, there.
But one or two Gideana Monza wo ba ubenyamboa. Ha, tutu jana wana swami. Ajwa. Nsem pa.
Kwasi, Nsem pa.
Ajwa.
Before Seme Kasano.
Yeah.
Ghana ha minim de timi koso. Minim say driver no so amani muso oji ade abaka.
Yeah.
The person me born abaso.
Yeah, ambulance driver honestly.
The person me born abaso because on say your uncle for few people now who so ya ban adwuma. Juma adwuma no or one at heart. Sabra wojina hey for you know what if say call kosi akire say ye ambulance.
Yeah.
It's a risk.
Na ya nsomanu wa ha. Etimi me yina di kra.
Yes. Tell me ka say Ghana ye nim de betumi asi. So ye plead with him penimfo no.
Yeah.
Ya juma ye ti sense ntwere juma no. Anya ye pene say ye besom na ya jana jeje mu.
Yeah.
Obi anka adwuma de anka wo ye free suru kosi ase.
Sanete.
Asemba ye make sure say Adom ha. See ye bia ne no ti ne timi di akire kra kotu nsuo ma mo se wo fo efra mo say. Tenkon.
Yeah.
Tenkon fo kra ye timi mo nya nsuo no. Ti ye sha ase ye wie. Eti sankani ya wo chi ambulance. The next one who ne say ono e ka no kona ko bi ampo nyare. Ene ya friend man di mirika akofa.
Sanete.
Ne mom for once to feel say medjuma ne say me fa yare fo akwa yare say basa yare fo we die wo hia moa na mo na busia no kura say yanya ne mani nguni enkoto because fie 9 2016 to 2021 e ko fie num
yeah
ebusia no kura say yenya no je so no pa no ka kokwa
amabre
ne de atira twirem de mesi kire kwa dimu betima ka say ye ne asi kire wo ho yenya scan ko tobi
because da fako
ma ne tu nyina pro
obedi adi Abrantia kama say yo. Eti
se Nyankopon ya dom na dom for dom yen. Ne yetimi boade na sabi owie na oti hwutie mu kura no a. Ne kodo kokko no betime pie hwutie no. No kotokoko ababedi. Etime bo driver ni yabaso. Ene adwuma pa. Waye. Sa ba adwuma yefo nyina hu ne se adwuma no mafrase. E wo se kwawie ye pa. Enka be de baba ne sei ebia na akoka no. Yesra mpanimfo.
Enka no.
Yes, company for
Ghana was some promoting.
We say can we am promoting the Ghana as a company for because and I am smanu no ko ntie ina dia me do here say e be fo na dwuma ha
e kana of the umbrella do me fe
na be kana umbrella ye ni ambulance service wa ba obenya bibia ye e wa ha
adwa wonim adesredia ne de beto
oh yes very necessary
ye besre etiefo
you're very necessary
yeah sremo pa but quickly my main kind way Tim Bruce I say God bless this ambulance driver guys. Please provide a Momo number and let's help the poor guy. Where is the MP of the area? Where is the regional health director, Central Region? Yasamo Obisa a lot of questions. Tim and Ebisa, I'll say, where is the Minister of Health? Come on, Ghana. Let's help this fellow, please. Yeah, that's it. Facebook messages in there. A dozen. Adwa, when I hear about my phone number, the mount, Yabo Trebo. Nyabotrebo number no na ye besremo ye here 40,000 plus abranti security cash na e wo kamu a o dey drive it to multimedia ni ha
so dey joy kokomemre
ambulance na si here ya apacha o dey bra
type unim kwaya o dey kogogo location
exactly
na type joy fm no dey kokomemre no kwa beka ho ma ana fa no fan street
yeah na bra
oba obehu sambule wo do wura ho no abobo na wo dey atse ne nsem enfo ma ye rasempa
dabi wo dey fa be wuram fa be to ambulance
oba ambulance no wo nua ne wo fa city front
yeah yeah besremo
Adom fo ye nim say ye de tumo ni mu amoye
ombeye
na ma brante wo free car so wo huri mate ya ohuri ye no so ne nan sai yi mo do mo fia man kwata makoloma ne timi buwa no
exactly
ye nim say mo baye mo hwe ye wa broche we di di kan mi ye say adwuma bi me kan bi da already so
o wadjo akama me
ye ne mo ana eye adwuma no sabi say $5 in pa
oh ebeye bibi
say $5 in pa
ajo ombeye do
one Ghana cedi two Ghana cedis 5 Ghana cedis oh dear hair etimi ka paracetamol
yeah
fabra ye ketua bi ensa
sanity
na yenso
number no so ye dey to Facebook ye dey to Facebook
mo share ye dey number ni to ketua bi ensa
yeah
fadom ye momo number no enie me pa to fa pen no paper Udi so jina wo obi hu afabidie fa bo fa twere hu fie wura ba so koye obi adoye na wo twere number na guda no wonya ohwe aye 0550 269099
right
0550 269099 Jacob Kofi Tutu
no
onwani din da so onwa we nya Adom FM present dia number
e ko ne ho
me number kra dia me fa nto abonte
e ko ne ho 0550 269099 yes so bi wadjo
0550
269099
me pa cho set apreku dankwa ono kra dia to Facebook wa maye
okay
and afa Elijah Shirem
right
ono so type number na dia to ho
ono so type
ke baby last
right
what the number no to ho de Jacob Kofi Tutu no aka ho abusa me da mo ase ya da mo ase pa nyame nshamo ye hu se adwuma no mate ase
ye da ase pa
who you say educate TV na inform we are yes your social corporate responsibility ni say we have the platform Oba Adom 106.3 FM for Facebook your pin number na da ho.
Yeah.
Was you pasa obua Jacob Kofi Tutu a.
Yeah.
Number ni 0550 269099. Jacob ina wo hwe no e wo Facebook live no.
Asem.
Who send the chi nyina sa
o hwe ne ho nyina asem.
Ni for my kete.
Ebusia ye besre ye nim say before ambulance ni betu afi ha de.
Na anya bia 30,000 de anya.
Oh
na Adom listeners.
Ye benya abroso. Ye benya abroso akwa ye surgery. Ye besre mo. Ye mboa Jacob. Mesisi ka ne kura wo ka mu. O dia check no ne fa ha. Ambulance ni si ha nyina.
Oba na dia be so mo nsem. Na busama mo hwe wo Facebook no. Wo dia me show wo dia mo hwa de ma me.
Yeah.
So we Jacob Kofi Tutu an ho aye moboyi esi nchen yi a.
Yeah.
Ambulance driver. Na kuma so ade ye ba kope. Aye one. Aye menso ba kuma so ade as at this moment. Aye kwasi asempa kuma so ade. Ye producers list we kojo for jo Kofi Asan, Aisha, Justigo, ana ye yankasa ye manager.
Yes.
Abdullah Yawudu.
Esi
ohene empenimfo wo multimedia Adom brands. Yakuma so ade ye ba kopa no pay. Ene say obeka me ni ambulance driver you ho.
Yeah.
Na ye be pesa 40,000 no. Say 50,000 ye pe.
Oh ade because ye
ye de be to nso ama nanom.
Yeah.
Ye de be ye niam pi. 1 cedi 2 cedis, $5, $100, $500. Fabraye.
Obi kura betumi ama 40,000 ngira. Obi de be ma ye.
40,000.
Ode be ma ye.
One for office beje. Time boy ya sign out you betu ambulance ya kwa ye ma.
Debi.
You betu ambulance ndi yade for na tum.
Yeah.
Ni atena ne ho aba office ni abeje. Mo amutie ye corporate organizations. Nyame Adom Nsem. Yo ka akora na abeton de aboa ye ya. Enu ti na nyame ye hira wo. Enu na me kenka de papa bi ka asem bi. Was stages of life eye miensa. Di osi so no eni je wo brabom ye miensa. Ye di ka no pese wonya ahonya. Wonya cars. Eno kwa nani anye. Owie ye no eno be ye so obe ye companies. It you call the whole of Nigeria. Okuta 95% of Nigeria oil.
Wow.
Concession. And also am nani anye. O wana na danfo be ka che ne se nkoda bi hwe wheelchairs. Mako 120. The wheelchairs no toma no na danfo no effort ne say. Yenko jabe na me nko. Emfa nko man koda ro so du won koda na tina wheelchair ni mu no. That was the day wonya ni gie on life.
Bajua me bacho momo number no boni bi wadam for same go manager. Osi obeboa. Botanical go. Osi obeboa. Enti bon number.
Same me bacho number ni. 0550 26 9099.
Bacho boni bio
0550 26 9099. Edini ye Jacob Kofi Tutu 0550 26
right.
1 CD 2 CDs. Papa ni amfaboano.
Kobi so na ba Kobi. Bokodia.
Mahu se Kobi ye momo o sende de ni.
Kobi wa ko ambulance no ho wa.
Akaba na res na nia ye ko.
My goodness.
You see platform where your platform.
Kobi na kan wo vim enu a wo ye commentary vim ade ye na no pay.
Ade say yeah stories. But most of the time no utifie na utia. Obu wo ha ote ma ofili say ade dey ya. But we know
when it's
Masandi many abehu no.
Jesus.
And me dey say what can say me for papa your tea enemy driver no.
Yeah.
Say risk I will take it. Ghana for share sa risk no ho krampo keke.
Na promotino.
Who the promotion kwa me no.
But you feel need risk no.
You share risk na we take it.
Anya ambulance driver no be born to
e ye nua na odaka ni mu no yade. What you say? Unim say wanya wankas ahanya hospital.
Driver will bring your kwada.
Elizabeth Issa on Facebook.
Yeah.
Was sending 100 Ghana.
Oh great. Elizabeth.
Yedase nyami so.
Ahanya hospital.
But
GDA branch ni nya ye ka kire papa. For me kwa Adom FM. Enye doctor na chi ai microphone ya chi o. Because tu wanya doctor.
Dabi.
Ocha say Tigo onya doctor. None of wo ha obi ene wa ba se be de oxygen ni. But onim se be do dem ha. Ya wadofo a etie yen. Ebi wa amanone, ebi wa omanmu, ebi wa chichiri bencha wo nyina na no e wo gidie se. Che se ye betimi a contribute kakada. Me ma ko hwa abranche no.
Ne che crowd e wontimi hwe. Nice guy.
So one said oda ho no. Onti nya na chi da ho.
Dabi na chi na ho.
Na nim se ti sa akwada ho wia no.
Pia sorry man was sending it diaba.
Oh, Pia sorry.
The message na ba wo Facebook.
Pia sorry
Yedase. Selina Adani sase wo de ne diaba. Seli yedase. Na mi show. Kobi Douglas ade ne diaba. Kobi yedase.
Bible ko Bible ma. Giving ebema script bebrebe.
Yeah.
Oko Quran ma giving ebema script bebrebe.
Yes.
And even ye nananum ya sebi wo mugu nsane ade enso gidi se ode nsane ba na wo ma e na obenya so mfa so enti ye besre obi a wo tie sabre se ye nua no bebi oda no ode ne bo e na da fom
wanya mankuma yi mu ba ko no wanya ama
ma
menya akwa brother ma se wode ne dia ba ma menya akwa ya min show yedase Kasi Kojo Palmer I say was sending ne dia ba yankopon show
right
okay.
PSA da Costa so sende. PSA da Costa was sende. Samuel Ej Botas was sende. Ai ya best friend. Momboyen.
Ade ba ko e wa Adom FM ho ne se.
Momboyen.
Ye ni number. Na se nra chi agigi bi ma panyin bia na ko.
No number de dey.
Ba wa number.
Ye dey atudwa.
Ono ba woni mi ye nya fa kira ko tibi.
Dabi.
Me se 20 cedis. 10 cedi.
Yeah.
1 cedi kura no a.
Adwa number ni bi.
Number ni bi mu ni.
Yeah, number ni bi.
Na ehia pa.
Come the sports time at check. Onu abeka hu aboto. Adwa number
ni. Yeah. 0550
0550
26 90 99 0550 26 90
99.
Chill Pussy AI.
Yeah.
I say was sending it there Abba.
Great.
Kingsley Dogba G. I say was sending it there Abba.
Great.
Samuel J Bota.
Right.
Was sending Abba.
Sure.
And now for Abena Amponsa J a champon. Was sending it there Abba.
Okay. Morris or Hene Japan so was sending.
Okay, Chichi, I miss the number of gain.
Right.
Chichi, number in here 0550 26 90 99 0550 26 90 99. So what about Adom Facebook page? Now we'll show video. Yeah, number ni ya penny da ho. Edini Jacob Kofi Tutu. Philomena Boateng say was sending the 100 Ghana. Philo Nyankopon sha what so yama wonu akuma yi. Nyame amasa sign bi say anto da. Oba ya brako say was sending the aba. Nana sasa say was sending the aba na Nyankopon emmo abrantie hu ba emma no.
Adwa madam for
the best so mon send messages na.
Yes.
Adwa madam for Kofi Chei. National security. And that's why phrases ya so send the aba. Or send the aba.
Jordan can say was sending 100 Ghana ba. Grace Obey Asan to was sending the aba.
Yeah.
Augustine as was sending the aba. Abraham Abbey, ascending the Diab. Facebook lovers, we love you so much.
Philomena Boateng ascended. Philomena Boateng
Kevin Ventures also ascended.
Great.
Benjamin Bryan Anans was sending 100 Ghana. Christiana Nuk Kokpe was sending the Diaba. Comfort Yabu Siedu sending the Diaba.
That's right.
Dorothy Bafo was sending. Asante Mante Pimpon, as was sending the Diaba. There was 20 cities. Was it your one? No,
widow's mind. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
India Ketwano, they could not cry so radiani. If you could not do Prempers, was sending the 100 Ghana. Larry Jakes was sending. Justiwa Kuku was sending Abba.
Right.
Jeremy Amos was sending 15 pounds. Abba. Jerome, yeah, that's a pan of 15 pounds. I would have bread.
Linda Akotia, Adra, was sending. Yeah.
We was what the Banagolo John was sending Nedia Abba.
Great.
Amwako Stevens was sending Abba. Daniel Emisa. 20, 50, 10.
Educhum Nathaniel. Educhum Nathaniel I sending Nedia. Yeah.
Kakra 20 cities, 10 cities, 50 cities. Yes, some of us say
Emmanuel Ades was sending Nedia.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Kakra
Gilbert Goldbed also sending Nedia.
Elijah Treme.
Yeah.
Was sending. Kevin Ventures was sending the Diaba.
Sure.
Nana Kofi. That's one year Juma do benya 5 cities. Nana Kofi.
Yeah,
5 cities.
So someone say you live Asafo FM.
Oh, okay.
For morning show no.
Right.
Oh, Elmina. You know. Also one say yen repeat number no. On there one call. Say bia.
Morning show
commercial pe.
Me bacho you call Italy. Elder Basie Italy.
Wow, Elder.
So yeah, Elder see your send the abasis here. Elder, yeah, that's be brave. Elder Francis Basie.
Number no 055
young Kropon, Madame for affair brick run.
And on for Munu Naya.
Yasamo, affair brick run, so send the aba affair, but number no more fair.
Number Nini, Wadaroma, Fag BDA,
natural
pain, Nipa,
natural
0550
0550 26
90 99 0550 26 90 99. Edini Jacob Kofi Tutu.
That's right.
1 CD, 2 CD. Ni Odate say Odate Wellington was sending 50 Ghana CD.
Great.
Nana Kofi Young the Nediaba. We say F4 commit physical reloaded.
Right.
Was I sent my last money in my account. May God refill your account.
My goodness.
May God refill your account.
I draw a prophetess so that you too, my goodness.
May God refill your account.
In Jesus' name.
There is Safo Wedi.
Yeah.
Was sending it the Abayada save.
Right.
But also Emmanuel is a number 0550 26 90 99 0550
26
90 99. Hey Jacob Kofi Tutu.
Right. Adwa yanko enum. K danso ewe enum.
Enum na no metuka ha koto omodokuru fu.
That's right. K danso si o send ne dia basisi. Yeah. And Reverend Asemba here me papa. Reverend Otuo Echampon. I say Asemba, I'm so touched. I'm on the mountains, but I will send a little in my Momo account soon. Reverend, I say,
I say, that's a euro Italy approach me. Almost send 50 euros.
Right.
When you're young, and
great.
Lucky, I say, what's it merchants?
Okay.
I say, please, won't he hit his account limit in a short while?
Mobile
money, no, and you'll be able to me for Sikana. I'm send their transaction fee.
I'm send it.
Say, when you do baby na ahetia,
yeah, now yes, producers
producers
Adwa number ni bio.
Number ni 0550.
Number no nim say are you a pin ni wo Facebook?
Facebook.
Na wasa pin ni wo hon ti. Omo e bisa wo say no man ba so. Ye ka pin na ase pane bi na e dia wo no. Eno ni pin.
Ebi mo wa omotie live ntino radio so ntino
it's number no
Adwa Jermaine Bush has sent 200 Ghana from London.
Yeah, na say
sure
obisi please extend the Momo account
okay.
I hate it.
Right.
Okay, our producers
producer can batch on my number for frame. Yes, extra number why? Your best why? Because in the midst of the heat, you know, my extra numbers now quickly. Yeah, friend go say Aisha Ibrahim number crab on for my why? Now quickly. Yeah, to me. Mama Aisha number why? Now you to me. Yeah, to me fan ye. Ebeboa pa, ebeboa. I driver. Monje driver ni number. Driver ni ban.
Monje number we so ayu ambacho be pini we so to Facebook.
Ajambacho bo number ni manu dio. Obisi o send 1,000 Ghana cedis.
Number no.
Obisi o send me bacho yo me odi me man number. Obisi ya man number.
054.
Yeah, 054
28 48
yeah 48
866 0542.
That's right.
0542 84 88 66 0542
right
84 88 66
right. Heneba obi twem wa mai 50 Ghana. Obi twem wa mai 50 Ghana.
Obi awura ha de ne dia ba.
Heneba kwasi afewa me bacho ma send o number. Ma send o number. Intino fafa suma ye.
Bacho munyi new number no. Ebi say oba ya asante wase wo try so e ya na afeli na che say wo hete ne limit rather bacho so my wada
me bacho obi aye say transaction failed.
Yes,
we'll try again. Me bacho ma send o number why of every plan yeah the number for fraud to great
me bacho muntie new number we Richard and Ponsa me das na adwuma wo ye what type of number na to Facebook or say 0542 0542
sure
84 88 66 Edini ya Charo Vasquez
right
okoti ambulance care ni mo na e mo ne ba ye tipacho 0542 84 88 66 0542 84 88 66
Bobio mami
0542 84 88 66 Wadaroba so we send no na kwa
yeah for obia the number is not going through ayasamo
Otu Christians who send the diaba
ayasam
yeah say Vincent Ajato
transaction failed no
me pacho munye number no
ayasam
yeah mamo number mo no say 055 no one the limit we send here nko Belinda Terry so send 100 Ghana me das nyame sure Belinda new number ni nie 0542 84 88 66 Edini ya Charo Vanquest 0542 84 88 66 Ebusia number mo na dia ma mo nie 0542 84 88 66 Ejuma ne mo na eye Justice spoke was send ne diaba ofri mem and was send ba me da same just a ramas was sending the 20 Ghana by da same punctual Islam say different number.
Okay.
And I able bono.
I was Prophet Kum Chacha so your best Sunday.
Was it send on this Yadam?
As your best Sunday. Kum Chacha some drink out why? As some drink out pa. Yeah.
You up Sanos na Mr. Producers mo get another number available.
Edia Maya producers yes numbers no. Yebenya.
Numbers 2 ne mo aye.
Yebenya crab so.
Bet my ma.
Yebenya.
Yebo ne se no. Eti eno no ye Charo Van Quest number ne ni. 0542 84 8866. Obisco Scapo was sending the 20 Ghana.
Right.
Okay, yeah, that's a pa. Harrison, do a JS will try number of times and far. It's in the amount new number. 0542 848866.
I just number this will be on your call for quick break now for your buy a bet
84 88 66. Again, Charo Van Quest 0542 84 88 66. Kakrepiensa.
I was yamming bacho, so we'll drive it a fan of fast street ha.
A free circle.
A yako comlemle or circle at Chimota, baby biawo. Ambulance in this year, name here. Oh, dear, best sign a check for my yen. And I said, wouldn't him or be a bit to surgery in the hospital be now could Tiaka no crassi and brown or maya as from Green Count. Yeah, that's a break. Yeah, come for a quick break. I had Adom 106.3 FM, Dwaso Nsem Jumedie, and then it's all about our ambulance friend.
Oh, yes.
Ambulance friend.
Oh, no, what?
Ambulance friend. Me bacho list to the number biba. And your number. Okay, me bacho C4C Foundation. Ajo mama 500 Ghana. C4C Yadamasi bebre. Kofi Chei ascending the aba. Kofi Chei ascend Kofi Chei yadasi bebre. And fast security near Osika kakra to me send the media. Obeyenshra pa Kofi Chei. Ebusia yanko for quick break. Ya babaka me bacho monchen na I was see a jiji near the boy yenuana. Ajwa Osaka number bia na quickly
that no obi was sending a dear free Germany I rejected.
Yes, wow.
Dada na
me bacho. Are you happy in the new number no Facebook? 0542 84 88 66. New number no.
Abaya Santua Bene was Asempa. I sent 100 Ghana.
Okay, great.
Emilio Focus was sending it here.
Great.
Stars was sending 10 cedis.
Yeah, that's it.
New number no. And the other one 0542 84 88 66. Charo Van Quest.
Yes. Me bacho ye pin number no Facebook
why. Yes, must stand your names was sending it here to Charo.
Yadamase. Right.
Nyami Shamo.
Okay. Right, I do sports page 1. Yamfasi that for my betway for the love of the game. Betway the ready yesu. Kobe stone the gamma sumsa. Soccer bet. Mrs. Sumi and Sandy and say Kobe stone had there with them. And MTN downloading my MTN app no our Play Store and our App Store never to data. I know you're the very easiest way. I'll bet you get with Momo Afi. Amponsa Efa F Pack. Ajuape Brita. Ajuape Ope. And Kaka BS tablet no. Offer a year or say what day but that's open and not so far okay my main found consider but you get the consider why ajo bonamba no yeah
0542
right
84 88 66
0542
we are mama ya money power
I want to obey my 0542 84 88
66
right wadam for Sammy was sending a botanica go manager yeah Sammy was sending it was sending it Sammy asum drink campa me pacho man fanyom ne maya na afi ajo abonamba no okay yanko for quick commercial break ya babaka yeti ha ye ambulance friend ye wa ha
ambulance friend wa president is eguni boko
and then men kwa juma me ne na ye yanko bra.
Hello.
Yo, nazi say.
Kaleminia, Misso, me here on once is here.
That's him.
Asem bisabio.
Meet you.
Yama Musa 9 cities. Yama Kwame so 36 cities. And a Pokian Sunya 27 cities. Now why should Sansim here? Sika same na de labina.
Chama, hey, Chakonya na we dia a long equation. Ye de kan fa Musa.
Kuluneko so abusia ene na mfo ntem se ne wo bi da kra. Sima kwa di kan ne pena betua wo ka. Na se wo kasa no so twa ya. Ubedi nkoma untia hwe. Ne sama 50 megabytes free. Abia obekasa. Press star 315. Now for Ubedom. MTN free after 1. And free say we are good together. Everywhere you go. Kaise, in shake a crow.
no kronye F-pack drink namamba sisi amitini opai mi we jai kra me wo hihye no adwo fom miami wo se me rigi mo yankasa sa F-pack dromapa etu yare tisa pomumre etipaye feverishness kata cold sasabro ene honam yawe free jumaden F-pack ebusu droma won we di mfie dunsia ni echiri asma ni also yare for there ensesa wo 5-pack ubenya F-pack eye juman tem no drugstores e wo man mu nyina sa wo fa F-pack nenu na wo antowo a ko hu doctor
afei F-pack junior nso etu honam yawo mo fredi busumi nsia ni echiraba esa honam yawo kata feverishness cold ni flu F-pack Junior blows your child's pain away.
F-pack blows your pain away.
Charlie, this game is my game. Oh. Watch me. I will win today. Today is my turn. Go! Even when I won the last time, the people didn't want to give me all my money at once. What is that? Oh no, my guy. With soccer bets, you never have to wait. They pay you the same day, no matter the amount. That is why I always bet with them. No installment, no hassle, no delay. With soccer bets, bet on the best odds. Win up to 1 million Ghana cedis and get your money instantly. No delay, no hassle, no installments. Take your money now. Soccer bet, your best bet for sports betting.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly. Gaming can be addictive, not for persons below 18 years.
Rise up and be a star. Strengthen with BX stars. Power.
BX free and ponsa ifa pharmaceuticals ya grofo fra. Ebua huna metwetwe ne pai wa aduane ayediem. Ne senti BX bua ma yenya aduane ayediem mu mfaso.
BX mamuche nam ye ridie mu no eye mu no na ma hoden bem BX medria ne din ho akono sori zinc e wo BX mu no apoa ma mofra nyini yie so we yare na wa hoden sotia for BX na ma wa hoden samran tem
for BX na ma wuma kwakokra enu abre wansu bi BX tablets in your pharmacy shops and the chemical seller shops at home, baby. BX, a Yamubia.
Betway Euro Gold Rush promotion, and check 20,000 Ghana cedis in the beer. Much better so beer. I will Euros no more. Would you bet to Euro class beer so? Now you will go rush prediction. Now what you made the once a match day lucky draw no more. Now you don't know. So would the kind I will go rush leaderboard no so. I will go can see any in area. Yeah. With the chedia button and casa. 100,000 Ghana cedis cash. Foundation will betway.com.gh. Betway. A good year who don't try. And she check a Gaming Commission of Ghana and Sashas here. When if you don't watch ya, won't come home.
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. To dream with Puma drinks. Puma, yeah. Believe it, you can achieve. Puma, oh yeah. Clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make we set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive. Let me hear you.
Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Onyansafo ne wabɔ ne wabrɛ enya no ho ban entima Phoenix Insurance papemni nkura wo mu pintin sɛ wo de ho bɔ Phoenix nsiachiba ana insurance na atoyire nkyem toa wo besan asɔre wadwuma rinwu da sɛ wo de wo ho bata Phoenix Insurance a wadwuma begin from efisɛ sɛ wo ho kampe yebetua o chefa ama wo amunamuru mu hara yen insurance no ebi ne oja atoyire nkyem ka akwanhyia eposo dwumadi biara adan nimfiri ene agyinam hyehyɛ a wo friend bond frɛyen wo 0302246319 and that's 0243690492 to Phoenix Insurance in Siachi Banji Sheibi for short code *389*79#. One Phoenix Insurance in Nanto. Now don't say you won't sorry and see from that.
morning. It's breakfast time. Start your day with Indomie.
Machio, anabadi jemreno aso fa Indomie shawa no pass.
Can do it like you. Indomie.
Indomie instant noodles tastes great.
This advert is FDA approved.
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. And in the valleys, keep your head up high. Got to dream with Puma drinks. Puma, yeah. Believe it, you can achieve. Puma, oh yeah. Clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make we set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive. Let me hear you.
Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
We know the dream is big. We know the passion gets you going, and you have the potential to make great strides. The Chartered Institute of Marketing, Ghana, has always been an avid supporter of industry excellence and innovation. This is why we are excited to announce the CIMG Professional Marketing Qualifications. CIMG has designed practical courses to help you make that dream a reality right here in Ghana. We are geared up and ready to support you on this journey to becoming a world-class professional marketer. Register today and be on your way to greatness. For more information, call us on 055-274-6592. Visit our website www.cimghana.org or email us on info@cimghana.org. Chartered Institute of Marketing Ghana, working for Ghana.
BBC Emerson Samagania Magan wa Europe sia me wa magahoho Euro 2020 amaya denu 9 na day boni wa tournament ba kwa e di ni Houston compare football fans gina 51 matches e fifi da 11 June kosi 11 July why na eji kruwa kesi so no multimedia yana yaje Euro 2020 na yiri yedi ase live in HD e wo yen TV no so share matches e wo HD plus decoder no so Adom TV, Channel 103. Joy Prime, Channel 102. Joy News, Channel 101. Euro 2020, you HD Plus decoder. HD Plus, a HD experience partner, Emma Multimedia Euro Sumremo. Live commentary to Twitter, and we radio hot one so. Yen social media no so dear. Jai, a chinye BN say Euro 2020 fee no neha. And until one say, na would see Euro 2020, Dia Bosso, Euro 2020, and you will go see us in a Betway. For the love of the game, DBS Industries, Roofing Papa Fee, Savannah Paint, we all go paint some, Shield Paint, the premium paint.
Adom FM 106.3.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM.
Abusia ya samo. Yembo ni pemra otiase. Anti ya best way. Me say wo buy your Facebook a wo be hu abrantie said your da ambulance nim. Ambulance ni ya park e wo yanim he ya. Right from Cape Coast anopay. Ana ambulance no e dey abrantie ne baye. Onim yen. The onima ne say Adom FM. Anya me ba on betumi aboa me ampa so far yedamase mo amoboa ye nyina mo a mo send a enko no ye besre mo say ye the bank account number e ba betudwa enti obetumi asend a few momo e de agu account nim directly why ye besre enti enche anocho aba adwo say wa obeba be bobo account number no details ni nyina se de be ya ye betumi aboa ye nua yi na me say e bia wo drive fire nim ha ubetumi agina the ambulance is parked right by the roadside ubetumi agina na fe donation fako ambulance ni mu straight fako abrantie ne dem okwa wachia no wahye nim crime mo amutie wa brochu amano ne mo send yedam nyina ase yedam ase pa said da ne den nyina yede ekura ya disready eba manim a mutie ya sopem yedam ase makoma so ade no semetna radio so Juma ye dino etumi agi obi nkwa etumi am obi ani daso sentina if we are passionate in here can be bia ye can because ye permanent kan ko and your best friend the Bachel Christ Apostolic in Penny for me chiamo as they me am baba ko pe and ya de said me de too many mo meboa me Momebua mo de mo ntro check na mo famra aye famboa ye nua go ba Facebook abranti aye ka ne wasem on na da ambulance no mo na be shebe market etwie what da fa ko for almost 5 years na wo share oh my goodness aye reho abisi aye reho anti ya besre me patcho donation no mo send it Esha mama fre adwo ama me no fa bank account details ne mbra na on fa mbra why ne pe hia mo aha ya Adom 106.3 FM Dwaso Nsem Jumedie but you can say no let me introduce you to Nutri-Day yogurt. Nutri-Day yogurt. A very delicious and nutritious Nutri-Day yogurt. Nutri-Day contains zinc. I support your immune system. So I'm really covered abasui. With immune system weaker. Covered better one time. And the Nutri-Day and no and we here. Nutri-Day SI containing vitamin A and B12. Pusa when they say oh shadi anu eni no ya kata one but on Nutri-Day yogurt what it bebuao Nutri-Day strong every day I was say you go so check bank account so no I ya dia to jamatimi asende no ya to aso on birthday dedications ni na ya de bremo I say wo do birthday na no way you be the boy ye why ye be boy ye wa for ye na I was your mamenko audit service na me for special happy birthday enkoma Tony Kumi happy birthday. If you are dofo nyina ho special brothers and sisters Tony Kumi okay busia anot you about just say wa join me patcho yemfa bank account details and then to ja adwa first of all we call ambulance on net say boy amade
the love is massive phones me and say kita o mo de ato dwane nyina no
yeah
the rate and crofo frɛ and a number me send you number me never penny ba kokra na eba okutantika o de ba
oh mbacho mra
ba o say also for sick on the covid protocol
I was summoned in the FM I summoned in the FM
it one o ba okutane de
oh wow
wo hu ambula na me say de meet me nye ne ho
de bi omra studio
eba
go via mbacho mo hwe penny ne mame why na security for I'm also finding for protocols.
There be also offer me.
And there be offer at a tin into I know what done Chidiko.
Ah, you.
And I'm a man special clearance.
Numbers near the mom on one with you, mom share Facebook. No. Numbers need I because I'm your merchants.
Okay. Until our limit.
Our limit.
Okay.
Obi to me receive 5,000 pay.
Right.
Obi to me receive 10,000 pay.
Sure.
It's more done one more doye no. I'm a dead this numbers need I am.
Yeah.
Because now within bare 10 minutes, my pick cost over 100.
Wow. Wow.
Nkasa yen makati.
Emu de fia brochure emu de local cost.
Number Miss Mama Fufro. Sa, ti say numbers na say ya bo from when.
Me ba cho penini de no na be kan wo ananya no a. Ai me ba cho be kan wo no penini nkasa wen ka mo fa ne mra. Mo fa ne mra na say be kan na mo fa ne mra why. Adwa abra be kan ne mako no bi ehu. Anacho abambacho jene kai
panyin ni say na ba de no di achi no ai ne di 50 cents.
Okay, right.
And I know be so de enkrofo so de 1.2 120.
Okay, into 170.
It cabo ma 170.
Okay, right.
Ka ne ho so kakra ya kakra de
mo twem jije kakra. Banasco amponsa teacher presec. I want to know send the into your nam kwan so obaha. I nam kwan so obaha.
Me pacho mfa pen paper. We dey your bank asem.
Okay.
Bank there 1 million trillion dollars.
Etimi kom.
Ebefa ti mesra monye bank details yi. Show ni ye mame.
Yeah.
Etina me mamo bre no. Mfa pen na mfa paper. Society General.
Okay.
Yeah, Society General.
Yeah, Society General.
Na Society General no. Cape Coast branch.
Cape Coast branch.
The time everybody nyina say okwa ade nyina ebebusa.
Yeah, ye bebisa wo.
Cape Coast branch.
Yeah.
Are you ampacho obaji details for to
never to Facebook my why.
Society General.
Cape Coast branch.
Cape Coast branch.
Okay.
Edi obetua sika no atomo no. Edi ne ye John Kwesi Abraham.
Okay, account name no.
Account name no.
John
Kwesi Abraham.
E
Kwesi ni bia.
Okay, right. Okay.
John
Kwesi
Abraham.
Okay.
Society General.
Cape
Coast branch.
Right.
Because we say a branch.
Yeah, sure.
No at Cape Coast. Account number no.
Yeah. Okay.
Account number no. NE.
And no ne hear me no.
06
00
00 01 51 36 425 number ni ye we miss so mama
address sisubio
06 00 01 51 36 425 Society General. Account name. John Kwesi Abraham. And it say ambulance driver no de buy no.
Okay.
You see yonko bi sini nua.
Yonko bi sini nua.
Ni nua na de buy rather than nua no.
Yeah.
Ono account details nam di 2J.
Okay.
Society General. John Kwesi Abraham.
Sure.
Cape Coast branch. Account number no ye.
060
001 513 642 5 0600 0151 3642 5
Okay, great. For the very last time, sorry. So, are you at 05 over Facebook? Account details way or pinning or Facebook?
Yes.
And then Bachokofa. Na ya dom na ya mwa na ambulance na da susia ya bompa say at least by 10 o'clock there na ya dispatch ambulance no ma me be free ya see obi free fi denta say omombeje brand new wheelchair and you know ya dasi bebre and the dino na me refi I see ombeje brand new wheelchair and ya best repa say yeba ambulance ni movie ya ba be fasa wheelchair and asano mako Ajua Facebook.
Anokora ma yeni daso
sanity Facebook.
Because any panon ye said you no be use wheelchair.
Sir.
Anokora ma yeni daso
sir.
Ye brei no go betumi ato no.
Exactly.
Okay. Etimbacho number no any details ne da ho.
Yeah.
Yes, Society General. John Kwesi Abraham.
Sure.
Edino no account name. John Kwesi Abraham.
Yeah.
Cape Coast branch. Cape Coast branch.
Sure.
Number no 0600 0151 36425.
Great. And Tiabusia ko Facebook says here anafe. Are you aware the pin and
Yenti ayamo account details on the say.
Yeah.
Say momo na mabibia is simple. Don't Rebecca say complex.
Yeah.
But now I can tell you say.
Ube movie from momo.
Yeah, don't there be the momo ho na alcohol.
Yeah.
Okwa bank services.
Bank services na fe.
You get it. If you choose bank services now. So momo app hibia. Ubi eswada ho ye momo wabo code. Oba obama 4-digit number be. No abo. Oba no a bank services e wase onu choose.
Okay.
Transfer to bank.
Okay.
Transfer to bank no go choose bank cro.
Okay.
And wetin am society general.
Yeah.
Into society general ni the TV ah. Now for account details because any account na dey to bebu sasa account details ni nyina.
No aboni nyina.
Obeye no aye ni nyina.
We are now dia tuma maye.
Tuma obenya alert say sika say.
Adwa me da se.
Me da se.
Oba pa de hwan na benya.
Me kwa ambulance.
Me da se be mba cho kwa ambulance no ho. Why? Na ko to aso ba break to brain no de ekoso no. Ba cho be bomb mane why be update. 170. Until the ambulance nim. Adwa me da se be break. Asom drink kan me da se pa. Anocho aba adwa se wa ana watene kan ebusua wa join ya ahaya Adom ebia obebisa de na de Dwaso Nsem account details ya de to dwane momo numbers me pacho de atia ne say ya wa ha no pay na the national ambulance ya Cape Coast ambulance baye she ababesi adan ya brantie bi dem na mama ne Adom FM omo say ada yetie Dwaso Nsem na brantie wanya accident the past 5 years or da baby fako ye here 40,000 plus ye dia koye surgery amano no atumi atenase nti ye decide say na Dwaso Nsem dwumadie no ye dedicate e dia ma brantie ye oda ambulance no apake e wo yanim ha ya nti wonam fa no fa street ha obetumi akọ ambulance no na the donation akọ tum directly and also say wo send there no details no na ye pin over Facebook ye pin details no account detail account name any branch bibia e pacho bomodin na ye Adom why na yentimi raise almost 50,000 and fama branch ansana ambulance no move ye fee ye premises some drink out so we tia so pem mini kwesi asempa MTN free after 1 MTN say o ye caller obetua for just the first minute dia kenyina e free nti MTN ase the row member show ogin wo ho epese wo kosoa na wo kasa wo nsem nyina epese wo kan bia wo kan enu nti na MTN e ma wa kwanyan de nyane so wa dial star 315 hash star 315 hash now we subscribe to MTN free after 1 stay connected because we good together and no pay MTN ebema 50 megabyte data now they are browsing for free ebusia mo birthday dedications me born quickly na bigger for atenase na yetumi atwetwe enkomo awana mame nyomba ako na yemfemfem I was your mom fancy me say na mo birthday dedications no me the way na ya because me hear mo e dia ma abrante your ambulance no mo yi and a happy 70th birthday Nkoma Madam Roslyn Lai aka Ma Rose welcome to 5 Tema any Life International Church Tema Mommy happy birthday Madam Roslyn Lai way if you were money abusua ni nyina ho pastor any members of Life International Church Yamoka said the Lord has been good and happy birthday Nkoma Joseph Kofi Akable may the favor of the Lord be upon you and happy birthday to Auntie Oboshi of Comexan Tema Habo Auntie Oboshi way if you will niece Ajua Anochi Ho Auntie Oboshi happy birthday to you Kupa wo send wish I won't fadin kan ho As I want to thank you, my sis, for being the most loving and caring sister in this entire world. No one understands me better than you. Wishing you a happy birthday from Abeku TV3. Abeku sister no needing. Happy birthday to our brother, Mr. Otu Asari of Enum Kokos, aged gracefully, where if he first vice chairman, Edua Piaho, Black Yao, Kakra, and the entire Enum Kokos. I must say happy birthday to you. And a glorious one, Emilia Innocent, aka Emilave, or Access Bank Head Office, Castle Road Branch, Yakopon Shroud from Iowa 05. I'll say happy birthday to you, Emilia Innocent. You are so special. I have some more 6 minutes to the top of the hour. I want to send in a dear down. A baby profit no be man pre Charlie. That's how we'll be send the bra. I'm just going for a quick commercial break. Me back. I want to the mano.
Wow! Is the latest Infinix Hot 10T coming this new month? Hurry now and buy the latest Infinix Hot 10T and get cool gifts, crossbody bags, sports bottles, marks, and many more. The Hot 10T is the latest addition to the Infinix Hot series. The Hot 10T has 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display with a massive 5000 mAh battery capacity. It also features a Helio G70 gaming CPU that makes it super fast for all your gaming pleasure. Buy now for a cool price of 788 Ghana cedis for the